Oh my gosh, I just heard a crack. I just had multiple cracks. Oh my gosh. Oh, I had another crack. I wasn't ready for all this action. I'm all hot and bothered now. Oh, I heard a crack. Oh. I can just lie here forever. Oh, that feels quite good. Oh, my back feels so good. Since I'm on my computer and like my phone all day, like back, you know, bend over quite a bit, so there's like a lot of pain and tension in my back. I want to try to do my like lower back. Oh, more cracks. Oh my gosh, it's cracking. God. Oh, this actually feels so nice. You should try it.